हेलो फ्रेंड्स। हाय बच्चे लोग। योर दीप्ति नानी is once again back with a new story for you. Today I am going to tell you story of Lion the King of Jungle, Jackal and other animals. Before many years, one day the lion, the king of jungle, called meeting of all the animals living in jungle. You know, in jungle you see all types of animals and mostly you see wild animals like lion, tiger, leopard, wolf, jackal, fox. You also see animals like elephant, cow, buffaloes, deer, reindeer, rabbit, monkeys. So one day, when king called all the animals for a meeting, everybody was thinking why he must have called us for the meeting. When all of them reached, the king lion said, "Listen, I want to talk to all of you. Very important thing. I order all of you to obey me because I am king of the jungle. I am getting older day by day. I am so weak and feeble. I cannot move for my food. So I order all of you to come one by one as my food. I will be eating you up and you will serve me because I am king of the jungle. And every day one has to come turn by turn and that will be decided by Jackal. Jackal was a bit happy that he is given this importance. Now, 2-3 days, he started sending one animal to the lion. After 2-3 days, one day, the monkey said, "Jackal, my friend, you are a very witty person, you are very intelligent. You take out some idea from your brain and just see how you can get rid of this lion. Why don't you go one day and do something?" So Jackal said, "Okay." So next day, Jackal decided to go to the king. But whole night he was thinking what he should do to get rid of this king lion and save himself as well as all the animals. So next day, he went to the king lion and he went a bit late and the lion was very angry. He said, "Why you have come so late? Don't you know I feel very hungry?" And the jackal said, "King of jungle, lion, I started very early. But the thing is that when I was coming, I met one another lion in the jungle and he is saying that he is the king of jungle and you are not the king of jungle. So I was quarreling with him. So I got late and still he is there. So I have just come to tell you that he is calling himself the king." So the lion was surprised. He said, "What are you talking?" He said, "Yes, yes, come on, I'll take you." So both of them started moving in the jungle. And near the well, both of them came. And the jackal said, "See, lion the king, there is one lion in this well. And he is telling me that he is the king of jungle and you are not the king of jungle." So the lion just bent down in the well. And as soon as he saw down in the water, he could see his own reflection. He could see his own self. So first he roared. He said, "Ugh!" So from there also he got the same voice. Then he take out his tongue. So in his reflection also he saw the same thing. And then he said, "Okay, I am the king of jungle." So from inside also he felt the same action. So he said, "I'll come down and kill you." Once again he got the voice, he got the echo, "I'll come down and kill you." So the king got very furious and he tried to bend down more and more. And at that time, the jackal with all the force pushed the king in the well. And the lion could not come out, he got drowned. And Jackal was very happy. He started singing in joy, and he went and met all the animals, and he said that I am also saved and you are also saved. And he told what had happened when he met the king and what he talked. And all the animals were very happy. All of them thanked him, and all the animals lived very happily with each other. Now, tell me, what do we learn from the story? We learn from the story that whenever there is any difficulty, whenever there is any problem, we should not get scared, we should not get upset, but we should keep cool and think. We should use our brain. And if we are calm and cool, we can always think. And when some good thought comes, some good idea comes, you can get rid of your difficulties or you can solve your problems. Did you like the story? If you like the story, do like, share, and if you have not subscribed, do subscribe, and please remember to press the notification so that as soon as your Tipti Nani comes with a new story, you immediately get the notification. Until I come with a new story, bye बच्चे लोग, love you.